Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Welcome to Money Talks UAE. Today's video is going to be another Sarwa balance update. So if you are interested in that, make sure to watch the video until the end. Sarwa is doing great right now. So because the stock market is doing great, so that's probably why I'm getting some profit, and I will share that with you guys. And if you're following my Sarwa updates for a long time, you know exactly that Sarwa was not doing so well because the stock market was not doing so well, and I didn't get a lot of profits. I was actually losing some cash, but now it's the opposite. And now I like to share the good news and the profit that I'm getting, because most of my Sarwa updates were actually not doing so well with the profit. And maybe a lot of people, they thought that the platform is not good enough to invest for the long term. And as I always tell you guys, investing for the long term takes some patience, and if you want to get returns for the long term, you have to wait and see the result, because the stock market is always going up. Doesn't matter what happened in the world, you're gonna get profit for the long term. So if you're new to the channel, make sure guys to subscribe, support the channel. Thank you so much for your support. We are almost 6,500 subscribers. I would like to say thank you for the support, and thank you very much for subscribing. And if you have any questions, please write me in the comment section below, or just follow me on Instagram. I'm going to put my link here or in the description box, and you can just follow me and send me directly a message, and I will reply as soon as possible. If you want to know more about Sarwa, just go to my channel, click on playlist, and you will find here Sarwa progress. Okay, once you click on this playlist, view the full playlist, you will see all the videos that I made for this platform since the beginning. I started invested with this platform for more than 2 years ago, and you will see how my balance is actually moving and what happened in the past 2 years. Okay, so and now let's move to Sarwa Invest, and this is my platform, this is my account balance, and you will see a lot of changes that happened to my account. And starting with the account balance, nowadays is 15,000. Okay, so as you will notice from my previous videos, this is less than what I used to have. And this is actually because I already withdraw $1,000 as my profit. Okay, so I try to take some profit because the stock market nowadays is doing so well. And you can see also my balance now is still giving me profit. So I have 5% return for my deposit, which is 14.279. And once you actually withdraw money, it will also decrease the amount of deposit, because basically you are taking money from the account, but this is pure profit. And now I have this amount of money as profit from this net deposit. So now I still have 700 as profit, and probably I'm gonna take some of it out to Sarwa trade. I did that already with this 1,000, and I showed you in my video how to do that, to move position between Sarwa trade, Sarwa Invest, so you can actually trade in stocks by yourself if you want to do that. Okay, so so far this is the account that I'm using, and you can see here the positions. So VTI, the stock market, is the one who's giving me some money, because most of my assets, 38% allocation of these accounts is actually from VTI, followed by these developed market stocks as well. So this one is down by 3.6%, and probably it's gonna go up soon. So the most asset that's making me money right now is Bitcoin. As you can see here, more than 150%, which is actually massive amount of returns. So it's more than double the amount of money invested in this platform. So that's why my account is increasing, even though I don't have a lot of allocation with this account, because it was actually just 5% and now it's 7.4%. So real estate also is starting to go up, still minus 9.5, but still I'm gonna show you my past performance to see exactly what's happening in this account. So last week, as you can see, we get almost $200 profit. If I go back to last month, you will see that it was actually higher here, 15,598, but I took actually some money from this platform. As you can see here, the drop here is $500 withdrawal to my Sarwa trade. So that's why it shows that it's going down. Last year, this is like the yearly chart. So this is 1 year of investing with Sarwa. And as you can see, it's going in a very good direction because this year was a good year for the stock market. So there you go, guys. This is all about Sarwa Invest, and this is the amount of profit that I'm getting. So I'm gonna show you the charts of the stock market, and you will see here in the right hand side, this is all the stocks that I am investing my money with. Some of them are included in Sarwa Invest, some of them are in Sarwa Trade. So you will see that most of it now is green because the stock market is doing great. And VTI, as you can see now, it's going higher, and it's gonna be soon in the highest point ever. So that indicates that the stock market is back and it's making money. So if I invested with Sarwa for 2 years ago and I didn't invest any money, I didn't dollar cost average anything, I would be still losing money with Sarwa. But because I was actually putting money mostly every month, I was actually dollar cost averaging my positions, so that's why it got lower by the time the stock market was going down. And now because it's going up, I'm starting to get profit. All right, so you can see all of this stuff. This is also the volatility S&P 500 index. It's a ticker symbol VIX. This is a very interesting and popular index that you can use for investing. And this is actually doing the opposite of the stock market. So whenever the stock market is going high, this index is gonna go down. Okay, if the stock market is going down and the market is crashing and all of that, this index will go up. So I personally use this index to invest and open positions, because whenever I see this index going up to these positions like 20, 25, 30, I try to put money in the stock market. Okay, so now as you can see, it's down because the stock market is doing so well. So it's not a really good idea to start putting money in the stock market right now. Just wait for a while to the stock market to go down, because it will always retract. It will always correct itself and then starts to go higher again. So Bitcoin is the surprise of this month. As you can see here, Bitcoin lately, it went like crazy from 26, 28,000 to 44,000, and it's still going higher. So this is a good news for whoever is investing in cryptocurrencies. I'm not a big fan of cryptocurrencies. I don't find it really easy to analyze this kind of currencies. So if you actually like to do that, then it's a good thing that you invested with them. Otherwise, don't put a lot of money into this kind of investing, because it can go down like really quick. As you can see here, guys, it happens to a lot of people. Some people, they invested here in 60,000, 65,000 areas, and it went like crazy. It went down like crazy. Some people, they lost money in seconds. So you can make money in seconds as well, and it can be also a big loser. So do your due diligence, guys, before you invest in this stuff. And what I like about Sarwa is actually they are putting only 5% of Bitcoin position into my Sarwa Invest, because if they put more than that, I would be really losing a lot of money before, because I invest in 2021 in the beginning, and if I put a lot of money here, my account would be really like more than 80% of it is gone. And if I panic and I took my money, I would lose a lot of money for that. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. So if you have any questions, please make sure to comment and give me your questions. I'll be super happy to reply to you. If I didn't, probably one of the subscribers will also reply and tell you exactly the answer that you are looking for. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another update.